Welcome to Technical Laboratory. In this video, I discuss about some SQL functions. So at first, current date. It is used to get current system date information. Syntax is select current date, opening of small parenthesis and closing of small parenthesis ending by semicolon. Now I implement it in MySQL. Select current date semicolon. See the result. This is the current date. Now current time. It is used to get current system time information. Syntax is select current time, opening and closing of small parenthesis ended by semicolon. Now I implement current time in MySQL. Select current time, opening and closing small parenthesis and ended by semicolon. See the result. This is the current time of system. Next one is now. It is used to get current system date and time information. Syntax is select now. And I implement it in MySQL. Select now, opening and closing of small parenthesis and ended by semicolon. See the result. It is the current date and current time of system. Next one is date difference. It is used to return the time between two dates. Syntax is select date difference, write the two dates by using opening and closing parenthesis as date. Now it implement in MySQL. Select date difference, opening of small parenthesis, write the first date within inverted code, single inverted code, closing of single inverted code, comma, next, write the next date within single inverted code, closing of single inverted code, closing of first parenthesis, small parenthesis, write as date and ended by semicolon. See the result. It is 8 days. Next one is ucase. Uppercase ucase function is used to convert the value of a field to uppercase. Syntax is select ucase, write the column name within small parenthesis, next line from table name by semicolon. Now the implementation time. Select U case, column name, next line from customer, ended by semicolon, and see the result. All names in capital. See the customer table, select star from customer, semicolon. See the name column, names are written in capital and small letters, which are converted in uppercase by ucase functions. Next one is lcase. This is used to convert the value of a field to lowercase. Now the implementation time, select lcase, column name, next line from table name customer, and see the results. All names of column name are into small letters or lowercase. Next, round. Round is used to round a numeric field to the number of decimals specified. Syntax is select round, column name from table name. Now the implementation time, select round, opening of small parenthesis 4.776. How many times after decimal point? Write 2 or 3 as you wish. Then closing of small parenthesis and ended by semicolon, and see the result. 4.776 converted by round function 4.78. Next one is if function. Like in other programming language, if used to provide conditional type. Syntax is if conditions result true or result false. Now the implementation time, select age, select name, comma age, comma next line if opening of small parenthesis age greater than equals to 25, comma result true. Write the result within single inverted code. Old, comma if it is false, write the result false using single inverted code young closing of small parenthesis semicolon closing of small parenthesis write as experience EXPR. Next line, from customer semicolon, and see the result. Greater than equals to 25. So Krishna age is 25 old, but less than 25 Kaushik age is 23, he is young. Next function is count age. It is used to find the age from current date to date of birth next. Now it is the implementation time. Select timestamp difference. Next write year comma date of birth. Write it in inverted code. Comma current date, opening and closing of small parenthesis, again closing of small parenthesis as age, and ended by semicolon. See the result. Age is 35. Next, some arithmetic functions. At first, next one is arithmetic computation. The syntax is select column 1 comma column 2 comma, next line is column 1 plus column 2 within small parenthesis as add, column 1 minus column 2 within small parenthesis as minus, column 1 into column 2 as multiple, column 1 divide column 2 as divide from table name. Now the implementation time. Select column A comma column B comma, next line write column 1 A plus B as add, comma, next line A minus B as minus, comma, next line A into B as multiple, comma, next line A divide B as divide, comma, computation. Next semicolon.